protect your livestock and property with ease. The best electric fence tester ensures accurate readings every time, keeping your fences in top condition. Compact, reliable, and easy to use, it's a must-have tool for every farm or ranch owner. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Gallagher Electric Fence Tester. The Gallagher Electric Fence Tester is a high-performance tool designed for farmers, ranchers, and anyone managing livestock or large properties. Its standout feature is the fast, accurate fault location capability. With a smart directional fault finder and a built-in current meter and voltmeter, it detects shorts along the fence and clearly indicates the exact direction of the problem. This allows users to quickly identify and repair faults, saving significant time and reducing frustration. The tester provides dual measurement of voltage and current on a clear digital screen, enabling real-time monitoring of power at the Energizer or across remote zones. This versatility ensures more effective fence management and maintenance. Compatibility is another strength. It works with any fence type, including high-tensile wire, braid, tape, polywire, or netting, and it functions well with both portable and permanent setups, regardless of the Energizer brand. The rugged, field-ready design makes the Gallagher tester durable and weather-resistant, perfect for outdoor use. Its backlit LCD screen ensures visibility in low-light conditions, and the replaceable 9V battery adds to convenience. Compact enough to fit in a pocket or tool bag, it is easy to carry for daily inspections. Especially useful for large-scale systems such as rotational grazing, multi-zone pastures, or long fence runs, this tester helps producers maintain optimal fence performance in all seasons. Overall, the Gallagher Electric Fence Tester is a reliable, professional-grade tool that combines accuracy, ease of use, and durability, making it an essential addition for anyone serious about electric fence maintenance.
Number 2. ALLOSUN Electric Fence Tester. The ALLOSUN Electric Fence Tester is a compact, easy-to-use device designed primarily for standard-duty, low-impedance electric fences. It is perfect for small farms, gardens, or backyard setups, offering a simple and practical solution for checking fence voltage and detecting faults. This tester is highly portable, small enough to carry in a pocket, and does not require batteries, relying instead on the fence's high-voltage pulse to operate. It uses neon lamps to indicate voltage levels ranging from 600 volts to 7,000 volts, which are highly durable and can handle thousands of volts. The neon light principle ensures that the indicator is visible even in shaded or low-light conditions, though direct sunlight may require some shading with a hand to clearly see the readings. To use the device, simply hook the metal loop on top to the fence wire and insert the probe into the earth beneath the fence. This straightforward operation makes it suitable for anyone, including beginners or casual users. It is important to note that the tester is intended for environments with temperatures between 0 degrees Celsius and 40 degrees Celsius and relative humidity below 80%, with storage tolerances of minus 20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius and humidity up to 85%. While it is not designed for high-voltage or commercial-grade fences, it remains a reliable tool for home or garden use. Its durable, minimalist design makes it practical for everyday checks, helping users maintain their electric fences efficiently.
Number 3. MINGYA Electric Fence Tester. The MINGYA Electric Fence Tester is a versatile and reliable tool suitable for a wide range of electric fencing systems. Its measurement range spans from 200 volts to 15,000 volts of pulse voltage, making it capable of handling most domestic and agricultural applications. One of the standout features of this tester is its large LCD display with backlight, which clearly shows voltage, current, and the direction of current flow. This functionality allows users to quickly locate faults and perform maintenance efficiently, ensuring fences remain fully operational. The tester is compatible with various types of fence wire, including steel, aluminum, polyethylene, rope, tape, and braid, which provides flexibility for farmers, ranchers, and hobbyists managing multiple fence types. Using the device is straightforward. Pressing the button while making contact with the metal top quickly detects issues along the fence line, making it highly effective for both routine inspections and emergency troubleshooting. The humanized design further enhances convenience. The back buckle allows the tester to be easily hung on the waist, making it portable and accessible during fieldwork. Its durable build ensures it withstands outdoor conditions, providing long-term reliability even with frequent use. Overall, the MINGYA electric fence tester balances functionality, portability, and user-friendly operation. It is especially valuable for anyone needing precise voltage readings, quick fault detection, and a flexible solution that works across multiple fence types.
4. Andmon electric fence tester. The Andmon electric fence tester is designed for precision and efficiency, providing accurate measurements for a variety of electric fence systems. Capable of testing voltages from 0 to 13 kV, it ensures users can closely monitor the effectiveness of their fence setups. In addition, the tester can measure battery voltage from 0 to 19.9 volts, offering comprehensive insights into both the fence and its power source. This versatility makes it a valuable tool for small farms, large ranches, or any property requiring consistent electric fence monitoring. The device features a power-saving design with an LED screen that activates when a pulse is detected and automatically turns off after about 4 seconds when no pulse is present, conserving battery life, battery not included. Its portable and user-friendly design makes it convenient for on-the-go use, allowing quick testing of fences without complicated procedures. Andmon's compatibility with various brands ensures versatility across different fencing systems, making it a dependable choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. The tester's straightforward operation, coupled with its clear LED readings, allows even beginners to accurately measure voltage levels and assess fence performance. Its lightweight design and ease of transport make it suitable for daily checks, long fence lines, or multi-zone setups.
Number 5. FenceMate Electric Fence Tester. The FenceMate Electric Fence Tester is a robust and reliable tool engineered for monitoring pulse-type electric fence chargers, fence lines, and earth systems. Capable of handling a voltage range up to 15,000 volts, 15 kV, it is suitable for both small and large-scale electric fencing applications. One of its key strengths is the large, easy-to-read LCD display, which ensures clear readings even under direct sunlight, enhancing usability in outdoor environments. The automatic on-off functionality provides convenience and helps preserve battery life, while sturdy engineering-grade polymer housing ensures long-term durability, resisting impact and harsh weather conditions. The ergonomic design offers a comfortable, non-slip grip, making it easy to handle during daily checks, even when wearing gloves or working in wet conditions. Additionally, the device features reverse connection protection, ensuring safe use and preventing potential damage due to improper wiring. The FenceMate tester comes with a 9-volt block battery included, allowing immediate use right out of the box. Its functionality covers accurate voltage readings, quick fault detection, and reliable performance for a variety of fence types, from portable setups to permanent installations. The compact size and portable design make it easy to carry in a pocket or tool bag, making it highly practical for routine inspections or emergency troubleshooting. Overall, the FenceMate Electric Fence Tester is an essential tool for anyone managing electric fences, combining durability, precision, and convenience to ensure safe, secure, and efficiently maintained fencing systems.